Where do you begin? The unbeatable location, the natural setting, or the thoughtfully designed home itself? Tucked between the best of both worlds, this beautiful residence offers the perfect blend of town convenience and outdoor adventure. Just minutes from charming downtown shops, restaurants, and the commuter rail, yet right out your back door is a peaceful nature trail, ideal for morning walks, dog outings, or simply clearing your head. Head the other direction and you'll find a scenic pond. Better yet, cross the street and launch your kayak for a quiet paddle. Built in 2018 and gently lived in, this home feels nearly new, without any of the uncertainty that can come with new construction. It's been meticulously maintained and truly loved. You'll notice quality craftsmanship in every detail, from the elegant crown molding and custom cabinetry to the natural stone walls that shape the professionally landscaped grounds. Step out back and you'll discover a private outdoor oasis, carefully designed to maximize the natural topography with terraced rock walls, mature plantings, and a peaceful patio for relaxing or dining al fresco. Inside, the open and flexible floor plan is perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Large windows let in beautiful natural sunlight, and the layout flows easily from one welcoming space to the next. To fully appreciate all the character, comfort, and convenience this home offers, you really need to see it in person. This is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle.